make that purpose purposeful. Okay? Use feedbacks. Everybody gives you about a feedback to you. The feedback may be a data, maybe an advice, help, suggestion, directions, and even criticism. When you make a performance, people will give you a feedback, and make that feedback for your own advantage. The feedbacks helps you to enhance the knowledge. So if you make a presentation on the stage, public speaking, some of your friends say that you should have started like this, you should have ended like this, and this is a suggestion. He may even criticize what kind of a fellow you are, you made such a mess on the stage. So that is also feedback. So make that feedback to improve your knowledge, to your abilities, to your attitude, and to your relationships. Feedbacks helps you to make all these things. And be willing to respond to the feedback. What is the difference between response and reaction? Reaction is immediate. If you slap somebody, you repeat it, and then why you will ask you question later. Why did you slap me? After slapping back him, you will ask a question. But a response is, before action, you will ask, fellow, why did you slap me? So response is one which makes you a better individual. The reaction is one which makes you an ordinary individual. So be response to the feedback. Have a scale of 1 to 10. So you must have heard about, if you get a cell phone, they will call you after 10 days. Sir, you bought a cell phone, you please rate this cell phone from 1 to 10. So if you say 10, it is the best. If you say 1, it's worst. So ask, how will I get number 10? Keep on asking, how can I go to number 10? If you are 6, 7, how to reach 10? Use the feedbacks for your own betterment. Life is a war against mediocrity. It's a continuous, you have to stage a war against mediocrity. Mediocrity is meant what? Average. A lot of people are average people are in this world. Most people are average. But you want to excel, you have to keep on constant and never-ending improvement. You keep on every day a little better. Every day a little better is one. If I am better when compared to yesterday, do I have little knowledge over yesterday? Do I have little skills over yesterday? Little I have improved my attitude when compared to yesterday. Then Japan, it is called Kaizen. Kaizen is a war against mediocrity. War against mediocrity. You can't be a mediocre all the time. That is why Japan says that the best, be the best, dare to be great. You can't be settled for the ordinary. You must have heard about Japanese trains. Even if they are late by 1 minute, they give you back the money. Even if late by 1 minute, they give you back the money. If it happens to be in India, you need not spend even a pie for a travel. Every time you buy a ticket, you will get back because the train will invariably comes late. Sometimes it may come on time. You will be surprised. Oh my God, Indian Railways are so good. The station master will say, sir, this train should have come yesterday morning. It has come today. So train will be 24 hours late. But in Japan it is not. I have seen in Japan conferences start on time. If it is 4:30 in the evening, every hall will have a digital clock. 4:29, keep on clicking. When somebody announced, good evening ladies and gentlemen, it will be 4:30. That is the so accurate in their time management. And that's also in every other field. I have not seen even a 30-second late starting of a conference or a convention. Start on time every time. On time every time is the word for being continuous improvement. Ask yourself every day, how can I improve today? Every day.